Hi guys, good morning. So I shave off my hair because my hair was damaged, extremely damaged. I had scalp, and it was cutting my hair. So I decided to shave everything off. Then I made research, and these are the things I came up with to grow my hair back, and it really worked. So I got some spices, clove, this is thyme, fenugreek, um, what's the name of this again? I'll put it on the screen. And I added more fenugreek. Then I'm going to use some carrier oil. I learned that you can either use um olive oil, pure olive oil, which is what I'm using, or you can use avocado oil. So I decided to use olive oil as my carrier oil. I'm going to add other essential oil, but I'm starting with this as kind of the base. So right now I poured the oil inside the spices, then I'm going to blend them together. I just added more fenugreek, no measurement, just as the spirit leads, because this is me trying it out for the first time to see how it works. So I'll let it blend very well until everything blends and turn to kind of liquid. Then I will get it out and store it in this jar. So I'm going to leave it for weeks. I'm going to, after blending, I'm going to store it here in my shelf for weeks, so that all the oil and the um spices, all the nutrients I need will leak into the oil, because I'll be using the oil later to make the hair cream I want to grow my hair. And also these spices, many of them, like the clove, the thyme, they have antibacterial effect, so they are going to help in the healing of the dry scalp. So right now I added some moringa powder into the oil, then I'm going to shake it and leave it on the shelf. I've done this for a while ago, and it really worked, because after like a week of using this product, my hair started growing more healthy and more clean. As you can see, this is my 1 week progress. See how neat and clean my hair.